Good morning, you lovely, lovely lot. It is Saturday morning. It is bright and early. It's about 7:30 in the morning. Sun is just burning through up there. There's the motorhome. There's the bike. What am I up to? Where am I off to? Somewhere exotic. Somewhere nice bit of countryside. No. I have to do some chores. The biggest chore, cleaning the old motorhome ready for Pete. So that's where I'm going today. Me and Shane. I've roped Shane in. He's wanted to clean the outside for ages, so I took him up on his offer. He's going to do the outside, I'm going to do the inside, and then Pete should be coming to collect it tomorrow evening. So that is my weekend. It's all fun and games, you know. It might look magical and all glitz and glamour, but it really ain't. Not at the moment, anyway. I got a bit of a cold. It's nice and frosty, and I got to go clean my old motorhome. Woo! I've just turned up to Shane's, and he's already started cracking on. He's got the ladders out. He's already hosing off the roof. The valeting sign is out. I brought my bike round because I know he wanted to have a go. And yep, he's gone. Look, there he is, all the way down the end of the street. He's just like me, kid with toys. What do you think of that?
Making my eyes water.
He's crying. He's so happy to see me.
He's a beast.
It's a good bike, isn't it? Fast, isn't it?
I need one.
I am not proud of this in any shape or form, but I exited this motorhome very quick when I moved over to the next one, and then I picked it up yesterday in a bit of a hurry. Then just brought it straight over to Shane's, and yeah, it's a bit of a state. There's still bits and bobs in here, so I need to sort all this out, get the last of my bits and bobs out into this mass of bags, and then they can all go outside. Ready to be transported to the next motorhome, and then inside can be all cleaned down, wiped down, polished, and then hoovered, and then it's all ready for Pete. While I'm busy still packing everything in the inside the motorhome, Shane's been, not only has he cleaned the roof and this side, he's now sealing everything. So, because I don't want Pete to have any problems. I don't want that dreaded phone call of, I've got a water leak. Now, I've never, touch wood, never had a leak. But I just don't want that call of, I've got a little bit of water coming in from somewhere. So I'm gonna I've asked Shane if he can literally go around the whole lot and reseal all the joints and anywhere that's had, drill holes through, like for the solar fittings and all that, just to make sure a little bit of added protection, and then a little bit of peace of mind for me and for Pete. Yeah, so there's no crying. But have a look at this. So we've gone from all the way top corner, all the way down. If you have a look here, all nice white lines all around. And now he's just going along the window tops just to make sure they're all sealed. Literally the whole of this side has been sealed now. He's a legend. Not only does he provide lots of tea and coffee at the NEC, he's great at cleaning and sorting motorhomes. It's not as if he's been doing it for how many years?
Yeah, about 20 odd.
About 20 odd years. So I think he knows a thing or two. He's a good guy to know. If you saw the video when we was fishing down the river, you saw the amount of food that got cooked. And it's just like a running theme. You can't come round here and not have food. Look what's turned up. Look at this. It is brilliant. But there's no cobs.
No cobs, mate.
It's a bread roll. And I know the comments are going to be filled now with what I've said wrong. It's a tea cake. It's a palm cake. Right, you go fill the comments, and I'm going to go and fill my face. Slowly but surely it's coming along. I've cleaned all of these cupboards. I'm in the kitchen now. Hopefully it's it's as good as it can be for him. I've got to tell him there's lots of Velcro on the walls. Like there's Velcro. I haven't taken them off. One, because they're they can be a bit of a pain, and two, I thought I'd let him have some fun. Yeah, I'm not going to rush taking them off because I could rip the decal off the wood or something. I think they just need heating up, but he might use some of them, so that's why I'll just leave them. That's my excuse. That's my excuse. Right, I look a mess. I feel filthy, which ain't a great ad for me cleaning my own motorhome, to be fair. But hey, everything's done now. All the actual hab area's done. The toilet and shower's done. All I need to do is the cab, get a few bits out of that, and I think we're going to clean it tomorrow. And the fridge. Need to empty the freezer and clean the fridge tomorrow morning. Apart from that, that's it done. I'm going to jump out now, have a look at the outside, and see what Shane's been up to on the outside. Look at this. It it looks like a brand new van. Look at the bumper sparkle. Seriously, it just looks awesome. Look at them white lines. They're glowing. Done every single side and the roof. So, yeah, it is ready to go. All there redone. If there was any potential. There's a little bit of damage here and there. Pete knows that. But all sound. All good, all good. Look at the wheels. Cheers, Shane.
No worries, mate.
Really appreciate that.
All good,
You've
mate.
done a top job. It's that should
Definitely, mate.
put us in a good position, shouldn't it?
Everything that's yeah, we've covered everything there.
Yeah, there's nothing else you can do really for that. I mean, this resealing it is quite a drastic move, especially when there's no real problem. But like it gives me peace of mind, Pete peace of mind. Yeah, and it's nice and clean, all good. Once this is done, then I can move on. This is just like it's not a weight round my neck or anything. It's just I want to get it done, get it over to Pete. He's got it. Then I can then move on with the next chapter. What a way to finish a day. We've run off, left the van. There's not much left to do on the van now, so we're out fishing. We're on the Trent. Look at this. We're in the middle of nowhere, just on the Trent. Cut the rods, see what we can get. We've got the maggots. Why not? What a way to finish a day. We've done a good day's on the motorhome. A little bit more to do tomorrow, and then we're going fishing tomorrow as well. Yes. Oh, it's got to be done, isn't it? Yeah. But yeah, a really cracking day today, getting that van sorted. I'm glad that we've got the weather cleared up. We've got it all sealed. Can't thank Shane enough for that, for sealing it and cleaning it all. He's an absolute diamond. He really is. Top bloke. Yeah, it looks $1 million. It looks as better than it has with me for a long time. Yeah, really good. Great to leave it that way. Ready for its new home. Ready for Pete to do what he wants with it. Good morning, you lovely lot. Right, so fishing was a bust last night. It was flipping freezing, and we caught leaves. Yeah, no, we caught no fish last night, so we called it an evening about 7 o'clock. Come back and then just hunkered straight down. I had a bit of quick bit of dinner, sorted out a thumbnail for this video, which just went out, and if you haven't seen it, then go check it out. But now, day 2, back to it. Need to empty the fridge freezer of the old motorhome, clean the cab area, and then hand it over to Pete, ready for him to take it away tomorrow morning. So I've just turned up, and I know he's already on it. Shane's already in it. Look, here we go, let's see if we can scare him. What you doing? Jesus, he's... God's sake. It's me going, right, we've got to do the cab today, and he's just started. He's done it. Look. What the hell? Look at this. It's immaculate, man.
Told you it won't take long, mate.
This is what this means. It just means I'm going to have a bi-monthly visit. Fishing food and spring clean. How long did this take you?
I started about 8 o'clock.
You told us 9.
I started about 8 o'clock.
You told me be here for 9.
Yeah, well, I've done a bit for you, haven't I?
Lies.
I've done a bit for you, haven't I?
What did we catch last night, Shane?
Cold.
Yeah. It's ready to rock and roll. It's ready to go. I mean, yeah, fridge is empty. The cab looks absolutely stunning. I cannot believe the job Shane's done there. Looks incredible. Really does. It's like new again. It really is. I mean, you know, I've obviously lived in it for 6 years. It's got a bit of, you know, a bit of wear and tear around the edges. You know, you can't not, can it, after that long? Yeah, let me. I'm gonna sit on my stall for one. Sit on my stall for one last time. Yeah, I'm gonna sit on my stall for one last time and have a chat to the camera in the motorhome that started it all. It's yeah, it's a bit of a moment, to be fair. I think it'll hit me a little bit more when Pete drives off in it. But I mean, I'll still get to see it every now and again when I go hang out with him and that. But yeah, it's here. It's all onwards and upwards, I suppose. You know, I had a lot more stuff than I thought I did. You see the back of Shane's car there? That is stuff that I've got to put in the new motorhome. But everything is done now. I'm just going to lock it up. Pete's arriving about 5:30 this evening on the train. And yeah, then I'm going to show him around the motorhome, show him how to do some bits and bobs. He's going from a converted van to a motorhome. I don't think he's moving in straight away, so he's got some time to figure it out, have a look at things, get things the way he wants, and then yeah, go from there really. But it'll be such a relief once it's in his hands and it's gone. I'll be able to relax then. It's now done. It's a job ticked off the list, and I can get on with other stuff now. Whew. Think of the amount of park ups I've done in this motorhome. The amount of meetups I've been to, the amount of people I've spoken to, the people that come and see me in this motorhome. Wow. I mean, I bought it at 35,000 miles, and it's just hit about 85,000. So I've done 50,000 miles, you know. It's pretty good going. But yeah, good times. Now time to make some more trips, more memories in the next one. Right, motorhome's all done and dusted, and look who's here. Pete's here. Yeah. Yeah.
My old home is my new home.
Welcome to his new home, he says. I'm in the passenger seat. That is not normal. I don't think I've ever. We've been out for a little drive today.
He didn't like it.
And oh yeah, I'm not liking sitting in the passenger seat. But yeah, so she's yours.
So mine, I'm done and dusted.
He's getting ready to. He's just setting the sat nav up and whatnot now, and then he's gonna be driving away, taking her off on new adventures. And I'm going to be staying and unloading all the junk that I got out of it the last couple of days. So that's great fun for me.
I'll look after it.
Yeah.
My new little baby.
Yeah. So yeah, 6 years. 6 years come to an end. And you've been in your van how long?
Probably 7.
Yeah, so it's quite a big change for both of us.
Yeah,
it is a big change because you're going from a converted panel van to the motorhome. Yeah. Which is a lot more space, isn't it?
Yeah, big time.
I mean,
like Alice.
Yeah. I mean, he was just saying that he's going to be able to actually do like some stretching and some yoga and all that down there because there's actually a whole walkway of space. Yeah, and you said you're going to probably downsize quite a lot of your stuff, isn't it? Because you've
got no choice now.
Yeah.
Don't have an underbed garage.
But do you find you was carrying a lot just for the sake?
It was interesting because like twice a year I'd go through all the cupboards and think I definitely need that. But once you start putting in boxes, you're like, I ain't putting that back in the van.
Well, it's funny because like obviously there's a few bits obviously that I've got out of this van, but I haven't had it for the last 2.5 weeks. Yeah. Just because it's been in here and I haven't been with this van. So obviously there's other things like cutlery and all that which I forgot to take. So I do need that. But there's a lot of stuff in there, in the stuff that I've taken out which I haven't had to use and I haven't needed. So I've got to be quite brutal with all the stuff. And then yeah, I think I'll go forward. I'll do a lot like what you said. Go through it once a year at least, and then and declutter and whatnot. So yeah,
because no one needs 3 cans of custard and 5 tins of chickpeas.
But you do need 100 bottles of mayonnaise and 10,000 pack cans of Pepsi Max.
Well, somebody I know does.
And 200 kilos of bacon and chicken.
And he wouldn't give me a can last night. I was like, "Can you make me a cup of tea, mate?" He goes, "I can't find my kettle."
Yeah, I didn't know where my kettle.
Could I have a can of drink? No.
Oh, no. You lie! I share my cans. But right.
Oh, Alexa.
I'm even giving him my Alexa. No, how nice is that?
I've got an annoying stowaway.
Yeah, to talk to you. Just unplug her if she starts. Bye. Yeah, he's off on his travels. Ah, there we go. There she goes. 6 years I've lived in that, and now she's gone. But hey, here we are with the future. I've got to say that motorhome was amazing to me. It done me so well. I've done amazing things in it. I built this channel with that motorhome. But this is the future. So that's no more looking back. All we're looking forward. And let's crack on, shall we? I'll catch you guys in the next one. What you want to do, you should just do, because you know things can get taken away from you just like that. So just, if there is something you want to do, you want to go see something, you want to go do something, you want to go explore somewhere, just do it. Don't wait. Just do it, because time is precious and freedoms are fragile.